Good morning, dear students. Now, today we will discuss about the problems in matrices. We have studied many properties. What are matrices? What are the different types of matrices? How to represent matrices and equality of matrices and so on. Now, today in this class, we are going to discuss about more questions based on it. Here, you can see find x, y, z, w if matrix x minus y 2x plus z 2x minus y 3z plus w is equal to matrix minus 1 5 0 13. Now in this case the left hand side is a matrix and its order is 2 by 2. Right hand side is also a matrix, its order is 2 by 2. That means the corresponding elements are equal. When the corresponding elements are equal, you can say x minus y is equal to minus 1, 2x minus y is equal to 0. Mark this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Now, you have to solve for x and y. These are simple linear equalities. How to solve this? First equation minus the second equation. X minus 2x is minus x is equal to minus y minus y cancel. It is equal to minus 1. So, x is equal to 1. Substituting in first equation, 1 minus y is equal to minus 1. Minus y is equal to minus 1 minus 1. Minus y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to 2. So, you got the variables x and y. Now you have to get the value of z and w. Now take this one, 2x plus z. 2x plus z is equal to 5. That means you have already know the value of x. That is 2 into 1 plus z is equal to 5. Or 2 plus z is equal to 5. Z is equal to 3. Z is equal to 3. Now you should get the value of w. Take the element a22. That is 3z plus w is equal to 13. Value of z is equal to 3. That is 3 into 3 plus w is equal to 13. 9 plus w is equal to 13. Or w is equal to 13 minus 9, which is equal to 4. So the values are x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3 and w is equal to 4. So here the main property we used is matrices are equal, equality property. When do you say that the two matrices are equal? Matrices, they should have the same order and the corresponding elements are equal. Then we can say that the two matrices are equal. Then comparing the corresponding elements, you solve for x, y, z and w. Is that clear to you? Yes, I hope you understood it. Okay. Now come to the next question. Come to the next question. Find the values of x and y if capital X is equal to capital Y. Capital X is equal to x plus 10, y squared plus 2y, 0 minus 4, and y is equal to matrix 3x plus 4, 3, 0, y squared minus 5y. Now, here in this case, find the values of small letters x and y. Small letters x and y means they will be elements of the matrices, and capital letters x and y denotes the matrix as a whole. So, each matrix is unique, and matrices are named by using capital letters of the English alphabets. So, capital X is equal to, it's a 2 by 2 matrix, x plus 10, y squared plus 2y, 0, minus 4. Y is equal to matrix 3x plus 4, 3, 0, y squared minus 5y. So, and they are given x is equal to y. Capital X is equal to y, which means x plus 10, y squared plus 2y, 0, minus 4 is equal to matrix 3x plus 4, 3, 0, y squared minus 5y. Now, 2 by 2 matrices, corresponding elements are equal. So, you can take A11. What is A11? X plus 10 is equal to 3x plus 4. Take the x terms to one side. X minus 3x is equal to 4 minus 10. Minus 2x is equal to minus 6. So, x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Now, what about y squared or y? You have y squared plus 2y is equal to 3. Y squared plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Or y is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. I hope you remember this formula. That is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of 4 plus 12 divided by 2. That is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of 16 divided by 2. Minus 2 plus or minus 4 by 2. That is equal to minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 2 by 2, and the other one is minus 6 by 2. That is equal to 1 and minus 3. So, for y, you got two values, 1 and minus 3. Now, we have to see whether which value is of y, whether y is equal to 1 is true, or whether y is equal to minus 3 is true, or both the values are true. Let us see. Y squared plus 2y, checking. Y squared plus 2y is equal to 3. So, when y is equal to 1, 1 squared plus 2 into 1 is equal to 3. That is the RHS. Okay. So, y is equal to 1. So, here you have x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. Now, one more value you have to check, that is equal to minus 3. Minus 3. Minus 3 the whole square plus 2 into minus 3 is equal to 3. That is 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. That is 3 is equal to 3. Here it is correct. Now, with 4. Minus 4 is equal to minus 3 the whole squared minus 5 into minus 3. That is equal to 9 plus 15, which is equal to 24 is equal to 4. 4 is not equal to 24. So, what are the values of y? Y is equal to 1, x is equal to 3. And substitute over here also. Y squared plus 2y, y squared plus 2y is equal to 3. What is the value? Minus 3 the whole squared plus 2 into minus 3 is equal to 3. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. That is 3 is equal to 3. So, when you are taking y is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, it satisfies both the quadratic equations. But when y is equal to minus 3, it does not satisfy the quadratic equation, second quadratic equation. So, that means x as a value 3, y as a value 1. I hope it is clear to you. Now, next question. Next question, that is a third question. If matrix A plus B 2 5 AB is equal to matrix 6 2 5 8. Find A and B. Again, A and B means they are the elements A and B. So, A plus B is equal to 6 and AB is equal to 8. AB is equal to 8, 2 is equal to 2, 5 is equal to 5. So, you can take from first equation, you can take B is equal to 6 minus A. B is equal to 6 minus A. Substituting into A into 6 minus A is equal to 8, or 6A minus A squared minus 8 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Minus A squared plus 6A minus 8 is equal to 0, or A squared minus 6A plus 8 is equal to 0. When you simplify, A is equal to minus B plus or minus root of B squared minus 4AC divided by 2A. That is equal to 6 plus or minus root of 36 minus 32 divided by 2. That is equal to 6 plus or minus root of 4, that is equal to 2 by 2. That is 8 by 2, and other one is 4 by 2. That is equal to 4 and 2. The values of A are 4 and 2. But the question is, you have to find the value of A and B. So, when A is equal to 4, B is equal to 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. When A is equal to 2, B is equal to 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4. So, 4, 2 or 2, 4 is the answer. So, here all we are making use of the concept, that is matrices are equal. So, when can you say that the two matrices are equal? Matrices are equal when they should have the same order and the corresponding elements are equal. Here it is a multiplication, AB is equal to 8. So, you are converting it into another variable, B is equal to, from the first equation, B is equal to 6 minus A. Substitute over here, A into, instead of B, you write it as 6 minus A is equal to 8. Make it as a quadratic equation. order it, take the coefficient of the first term as positive, find the value of A. When you get the value of A, you can get the value of B. Easy, isn't it? Question number 3. Question number 4. If a matrix has 12 elements, if a matrix has 12 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What are the possible orders? What are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 7 elements? A matrix has 12 elements. That is 12 elements. What are the possible orders it can have? Orders means size. So, I have told you 12. What are the possible orders it can have? You go in the order, that is 1 by 12, 12 by 1, 2 by 6, 6 by 2, 3 by 4 and 4 by 3. Now, when you say 1 by 12, it means that it has 1 row and 12 columns. 1 row and 12 columns. Here it has 12 rows and 1 column. 12 rows and 1 column. Next one, it will have 2 rows, 6 columns. Next one will have 6 rows, 2 columns. Here you have 3 rows, 4 columns. And last one you have 4 rows and 3 columns. So, 1 row and 12 columns. 1 row and 12 columns. It is a row matrix and this is a column matrix. 1 column and 12 rows. Now, one more question, it is connected. What if it has 7 elements? If the matrix has 7 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? The possible orders are 1 by 7 or 7 by 1. 1 by 7 means 1 row and 7 column. 7 column. Here it can be 7 rows and 1 column. These type of questions are important for the exam. You can get this as 1 mark question. Ink. Next one. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix B is equal to Bij, whose elements are Bij is equal to 1 by 2 into I plus j the whole squared. Steven അതിനകത്ത് ഇത്തിരി കിട്ടേരി ink. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix B is equal to Bij whose elements are Bij is equal to half of I plus j the whole squared. So let us write B is equal to B11, B12, B21, B22. It is a 2 by 2 matrix. It is a 2 by 2 matrix. Blue down the B11. What is B11? B11 is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 the whole squared. 1 plus 1 the whole squared is equal to 2 squared by 2 is equal to 2. B12. That is I is equal to 1, j is equal to 2. That is 1 by 2 into 1 plus 2 the whole squared. That is equal to 3 squared by 2 is equal to 9 by 2. B21. B21 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 plus 1 the whole squared. That is equal to 9 by 2. And B22 is equal to 2 plus 2 the whole squared by 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 4. 4 squared is 16 by 2 which is equal to 8. So what is a matrix B is equal to? Matrix B is equal to matrix B11 2 9 by 2 9 by 2 and 8. That is matrix B. So construct this is a general element. General element is given as half of I plus j the whole square. So first of all you have to write what is B. B is equal to B11, B12, B21, B22 and then you find out the elements each element B11, B12, B21, B22 and then expand it. Construct a 2 by 3 matrix. 2 by 3 matrix. Elements are Aij is equal to I divided by j. Construct a 2 by 3 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to I by j. Now 2 by 3 matrix. So first of all you should have an idea what about the 2 by 3 matrix. It will have 2 rows A11, A12, A13, 3 columns, A21, A22, A23, A23. Okay, now the general element is given by Aij is equal to I by j. Therefore, A11 is equal to 1 by 1 is equal to 1. A12 is equal to 1 by 2. A13 is equal to 1 by 3. A21 is equal to 2 by 1. A22 is equal to 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. A23 is equal to 2 by 3. So you can write the matrix as A is equal to matrix 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 2 by 1 is 2, 1 and 2 by 3, which is a matrix of order 2 rows and 3 columns. This is the general element is given, how to construct a matrix when the general element is given. This is question number 6. Question number 7. Find x, y, a, b if two x plus 3y, a plus b, 8, 1, 4x plus y, 3a minus 4b is equal to matrix 7, 1, 8, 1, 9, 10. Find out the values of a, x, y, a and b. Now, what is the order of this matrix? Left hand side, it has 2 rows and 1, 2, 3, 2 by 3. Here also the order is equal to 2 by 3. Now, here you can see that there is x, y, a and b. So, you take the x terms and y terms together. 2x plus 3y, a11 element is equal to 7. Similarly, 4x plus y is equal to 9. First equation and second equation. First equation into 2, that is 2 2s are 4x plus 6y is equal to 14. Now, the x variables are the same. So, 2 minus 3 cancel, y minus 6y is equal to minus 5y is equal to 9 minus 14 minus 5. So, y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. Substituting in 1, 2x plus 3 into 1 is equal to 7. 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Okay. Now, you found the values of x and y. Now, you should get the values of a and b. So, you take the element a12, that is a plus b is equal to 1 and 3a minus 4b is equal to 10. Mark that as equation number 4 and equation number 5. Okay, fourth equation you multiply by 4. 4a plus 4b is equal to 4. Sixth equation. 5 plus 6, that is 7a is equal to 14. A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. Substituting in 4, 2 plus b is equal to 1. B is equal to 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So, what are the values of A, X, Y? X is equal to 2, Y is equal to 1, A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 1. Clear? So, all these questions have come from the concept that the two matrices are equal. You are finding out the values of the variables or the elements of the matrix A and B. Now the next concept what we have studied is the operations on matrices. The operations on matrices. What are the operations on matrices? The operations on matrices what we have studied is matrix addition, matrix subtraction, scalar multiplication. So based on these three concepts we will discuss some questions. Take down the question. A is equal to matrix 2, 4, 3, 2. B is equal to matrix 1, 3, minus 2, 5. C is equal to minus 2, 5, 3, 4. Find the following. Find the following. What are the questions? First question, A plus B. That is, you have to add matrix A and matrix B equal to 2, 4, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, minus 2, 5. When you add two matrices, the result is again a matrix and the order is also the same. So, here the order is 2 by 2. Here the order is 2 by 2. So, the answer is again a matrix whose order will be 2 by 2. Now, how do you add them? Add the corresponding elements. Correspond 2, 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 3 plus minus 2 is equal to 1. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Add the corresponding elements. Add the corresponding elements. A plus B. Find the following. Once again, A plus B is equal to, write the matrix 2, 4, 3, 2. B matrix is 1, 3, minus 2, 5. So, add the corresponding elements. 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 3 plus minus 2 is 1. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Now, next one is A minus B. The same way. 2, 4, 3, 2 minus 1, 3, minus 2, 5. When you subtract, again you get a matrix of the same order, but corresponding elements should be subtracted. 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 3 minus 2, 5. 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3. Once again, subtraction, the elements are given, the matrix is given, same order. When you subtract or when you add, you get the answer will be a matrix of the same order. That is 2 minus 1 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 5, 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3. 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3, which is a 2 by 2 matrix. Next one. Two A minus B minus 3C associated with the same question. Now, here you have 2A. What do you mean by 2A? That is, it is scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication. The scalar quantity is 2. Every element of A or each element of A is multiplied by the scalar quantity 2. So, 2A. 2A is equal to 2 into 2, 4, 3, 2. Every element, that is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. This is 2A. Minus B. So, B, there is no change. 3C. 3C. That is equal to 3 into minus 2, 5, 3, 4. That is equal to minus 6, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So, you have all the terms. You have to find 2A minus B minus 3C. That is equal to 2A. That is 4, 8, 6, 4 minus B. 1, 3 minus 2, 5 minus 3C. Minus 6, 15, 9, 12. Okay. And that is equal to matrix. All the three matrices are of the same order. So, what you will do is take the corresponding elements. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus minus 6. That is 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 8 minus 3, 5. 5 minus 15, minus 10. 6 minus minus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 minus 9, minus 1. 4 minus 5, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 12. That is equal to minus 13. So, here we are making use of the application of scalar multiplication. That is, a matrix is multiplied by a scalar quantity. The scalar quantity can be integers, real numbers. Real numbers means it includes all real numbers, integers, fractions, etc. and so on. So, 2A minus B minus 3C. Substitute 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus minus 6, 9. 8 minus 3, 5. 5 minus 15 is minus 10. 6 minus minus 2 is 8. 8 minus 9 is minus 1. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 12 is equal to minus 13. Next one, find x and y. Find x and y, small letters x and y, if 2 into matrix 1 3 0 x plus y 0 1 2 equal to 5 6 1 8. So here you have the property scalar multiplication. LHS, there are two matrices, both are of the same order 2 by 2. RHS is a matrix of order 2 by 2. Scalar multiplication. So this will be 2 6 0 2x plus y 0 1 2 is equal to 5 6 1 8. Now LHS you can make it as a single matrix because it is matrix addition. 2 plus y, 6 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 2x plus 2 is equal to 5 6 1 8. 2 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 3. 6 plus 0 is 6, 6. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1. Next one we have 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 3. So what are the values of x and y? The values of x and y are 3 and 3. Or wrong. Now, and very important question, find x if y is equal to 3 2 1 4 and 2x plus y is equal to 1 0 minus 3 2. Find x. So 2x plus y 3 2 1 4 is equal to 1 0 minus 3 2. 2x is equal to 1 0 minus 3 2 minus, take the matrix 3 2 1 4. 2x is equal to 1 minus 3 minus 2, 0 minus 2 minus 2, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, 2 minus 4 minus 2. So what is x is equal to? 1 by 2 into minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 2. That is, you have to multiply each element with minus 2. It is equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. Now I am giving you two questions as homework. You will do those two questions. Homework. Find x and y if x plus y is equal to 7 0 2 5 and x minus y is equal to 3 0 0 3. So the answer is x is equal to 5, 0, 1, 4, y is equal to 2, 0, 1, 1. Clear? And one more question. 2 assignment questions I am giving you. Solve the equation scalar multiplication 2x z y t plus 3 into matrix 1 minus 1 0 2 is equal to 3 into matrix 3 5 4 6. Answer is x is equal to 3, z is equal to 9, y is equal to 6, t is equal to 6. So 2 questions I am leaving as an assignment question. And one more thing, a reminder, coming Saturday, that is day after tomorrow, as usual, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. you have your maths test paper. The chapters are sets, chapter 1 sets and linear inequalities. Chapter 1 sets and linear inequalities. Use black ink pen, write your name and batch. That is whether you belong to science batch or commerce batch, your number legibly. Okay, thank you. Solve the equations. Is it clear? First question and second question. 2 questions for homework. And Saturday it is a revision test paper. Once again, sets and linear inequalities. So for the test paper you have to be ready with a ruler, pencil, etc. and so on. Draw the diagrams neatly. Okay. So wish you all the best and thank you.